A share limitlessness cost most certainly remained at $10.8600 a coin. The present range, $10.8000, $11.5900. Yesterday's nearby, $11.2200, which basically is very critical. The change, 0.36000, 3.21%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to Axes. A share limitlessness value expectation for later week and month, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22. Genuinely least cost $10.86. Truly greatest $12.50, and toward the day's end cost $11.68 a coin in a by and large enormous manner. Access to United States dollars expectations on Thursday, February 23. Really least cost $10.73. Most extreme $12.35, and by the day's end cost $11.54 a coin, which especially is very critical. A share vastness cost expectation on Friday, February 24. In every way that really matters, least cost $10.56. Lovely most extreme $12.14, and toward the day's end cost $11.35 a coin. Access to United States dollars forecasts on Monday, February 27. Least cost $11.43. Truly most extreme $13.15, and by the day's end cost $12.29 a coin, or so they truly thought. In multi-week a share boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Most certainly least cost $10.90. Essentially greatest $12.54, and by the day's end cost $11.72 a coin amazingly. Access to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 1. Most certainly least cost $11.99, beautiful greatest $13.79, and by the day's end cost $12.89 a coin, or so they fundamentally thought. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, walk 2. Exceptionally least cost $12.29, greatest $14.13, and by the day's end, cost $13.21 a coin in a genuinely huge manner. Access to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 3. In every practical sense, least cost $11.92. Truly most extreme $13.72, and by the day's end cost $12.82 a coin, which truly is very critical. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, walk 6. Least cost $11.48, truly greatest $13.20, and toward the day's end cost $12.34 a coin, or so they generally thought. In about 14 days access to United States dollars forecasts on Tuesday, walk 7. Beautiful least cost $11.60, truly most extreme $13.34, and by the day's end cost $12.47 a coin, or so they really thought. A share vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8. Really least cost $11.73, greatest $13.49, and by the day's end cost $12.61 a coin in a truly significant manner. Access to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 9. Especially least cost $9.89, greatest $11.37, and by the day's end cost $10.63 a coin, which is genuinely huge. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, walk 10. Least cost $10.11. Most extreme $11.63, and by the day's end cost $10.87 a coin, in spite of mainstream thinking. Access to United States dollars expectations on Monday, walk 13. Essentially least cost $10.95, most extreme $12.59, and by the day's end cost $11.77 a coin in an exceptionally significant manner. In 3 weeks a share vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14. Lovely least cost $10.67, greatest $12.27, and by the day's end cost $11.47 a coin, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Access to United States dollars expectations on Wednesday, walk 15. Sort of least cost $10.45. Exceptionally most extreme $12.03, and by the day's end cost $11.24 a coin in an especially significant manner. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, least cost $10.31. Greatest $11.87, and by the day's end, cost $11.09 a coin, in a for the most part huge manner. Axis to United States dollars expectations on Friday, walk 17, beautiful least cost $10.49, fundamentally greatest $12.07, and by the day's end cost $11.28 a coin. A share vastness cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, really least cost $10.16, by and large greatest $11.68, and by the day's end cost $10.92 a coin, which sort of is genuinely critical. In about a month. Axis to United States dollars expectations on Tuesday, walk 21, especially least cost $10.77, in every way that really matters. Most extreme $12.39, and by the day's end cost $11.58 a coin. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, in every practical sense, least cost $10.97, all things considered, greatest $12.63, and by the day's end cost $11.80 a coin, or so they really thought. Axis to United States dollars forecasts on Thursday, walk 23, kind of least cost $9.60, exceptionally most extreme $11.04, and by the day's end cost $10.32 a coin, in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to Axis conversion standard remained at 0.0921 coins per $1. Essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Today's reach, 0.0863 0.0926 in an unpretentious way. Yesterday's nearby, 0.0891, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The change, plus 0.0030, plus 3.37% in a significant way. United States dollars to Axis figure for later, week and month in an extremely significant way. Dollar to a share boundlessness figure on Wednesday, February 22. By the day's end conversion scale 0.086 coins, sort of least 0.080, and greatest 0.092 in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to Axis expectations on Thursday, February 23. By the day's end swapping scale 0.087 coins, most certainly least 0.081, and greatest 0.093 in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to a share limitlessness figure on Friday, February 24. By the day's end conversion standard 0.088 coins in every practical sense. Least 0.082, and extremely greatest 0.095 amazingly. United States dollars to Axis expectations on Monday, February 27. By the day's end conversion standard 0.081 coins, essentially least 0.076 and most extreme 0.087, or so they fundamentally thought. In multi-week dollar to a share vastness gauge on Tuesday, February 28. By the day's end conversion scale, 0.